Good morning, K2A. It's Mrs. Downs. Today is Wednesday. We are going to be doing some math, okay? So today we are going to be working on composing teen numbers. First things first, remember we use counters, right? Counters to help us solve our problems. Then we're going to be using 10 frames. And teen numbers, what are teen numbers? Teen numbers are numbers that are between 10 and 20, right? So these are teen numbers. Start 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, all right? So when we talk about teen numbers, we're going to be thinking, how can we make these numbers? How can we make them in a way that we understand and we do our math problems quickly, okay? So today, we're going to work first. The first number we're going to compose or put together is number 17. So today, we're going to be working on composing numbers. Let's try composing number 17, all right? I'm going to write my number 17. Let's check. Is number 17 a teen number? We're going to look at our numbers. Number 17, yep, it's right here. So for number 17, since it's a number bigger than 10, we're going to make a frame here. We're going to make a frame quickly. Okay. And so I'm gonna remember, every time I have a 10 frame, it's because I can place 10 counters inside, right? I can place 5 counters on the top and 5 counters on the bottom. So let's see how many counters does this hold. I'm gonna use 2 colors to see. So this 10 frame is gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 counters. So that's 10. Are we in 17 yet? No. So I'm going to see how many ones are outside this frame, okay? I can even use another frame down here. Watch. Another frame to see. So I have so far 10, but we need to get to this number 17, right? So I'm going to keep counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Excellent. So now I need to write my equation, right? So I'm going to write this equation. I'm going to say this frame plus this frame has to give me 17. So I'm going to make this line for this frame. Then I'm going to make my plus. And then this frame equals, it should equal this, right? So let's check this out. How many do we have in this full frame? We don't even have to count it because it's full. So that is a 10. 10, right? Because it's a 10 frame. 10. So this will be going there. Now, how many do we have here? So this much is going to go here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So this is going to be here. And now, this frame plus this frame has to give us this number. That's when you count them all, right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And that's how we compose our number 17. We say 10 plus 7 ones is 17, right? 10 plus 7 equals 17, right? Yeah. All right. So now Maybe we'll try a new number. How about we do, we make and compose a number 19. How about number 19, okay? Think about number 19. The first thing we say is number 19 a teen number? So we should be checking our line that tells us if number 19 is a teen number. Number 19. Remember, 1 and a 9. Remember, friends, all the teen numbers have a number 1 first, all the time, okay? Now, I don't need anyone writing these numbers the other way because that won't be a teen number anymore. So, number 19, 19. Yeah, there it is. I have a little trick too. Every time I hear the numbers, they kind of remind you how to write it. If you say 16, oh, that has a 6, 16. But my teacher told me a rule. Teen numbers always have the number 1 first. So 6, see? Number 1 first, number 1 first, number 1 first. All of them, right? So let's break number 19. Let's compose number 19. How do we do that? Right? So number 19 is bigger than 10, right? Bigger than 10. So definitely has a full frame, a 10 full frame. So we're going to start filling out our full frame. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So we're going to 10 plus how many? Whoop. 10. How many ones do you think? 9. So we're going to do that. 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, almost, right? So now we know this frame has 10 ones, right? 10 counters. And this frame, oops, missing one, so is 9 counters. So it's 10 plus 9 equals this number, 19. So friends, this is really fun to do. You just need to pay attention, okay? Just remember, you are making an equation after you're looking at your frames. So this whole frame goes first, then you say plus because you're going to count them all together at the end. The second number comes from this second frame, and then you count them all together. That's after they equal. That means you add them both, okay? Now, I've seen some worksheets where the frames go in a different direction, and sometimes some friends can be a little tricked by it, right? I've seen this frame like this. Sometimes you might have this in your GG too, right? And you go like, wait, what? Sometimes you might see this, but don't worry, you're not gonna be tricked. So they might say to you, I need you to compose this number. What number is this? Hint, hint, 4. 14, because it has a number 1 in front. So 14 is bigger than 10, so definitely there's a 10 here. So I'm going to do the same thing. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I erased it a little. 10, and this is a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same way. They just wanted to trick you and they put the frames in that position, right? Same thing, when you do your equation, you're going to write it like this. So you're gonna do this first. This frame is 10 plus this ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 10 plus 4 equals what? We're not gonna count anymore because we know there's 10 here. 10, and then you keep counting, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's my number. 10 plus 4 equals 14, right? All right, friends. I hope you enjoyed this fun, quick composing teen numbers lesson. And I will be sending you some worksheets. And you can show me that you did them at home, okay? Have fun today. Bye, K2A.